Good day, Teacher Erica. My name is Claudia Diaz, and my video is about S and Sh sound. I'm in sixth semester. Let's get started. The table of contents of my video are: first, manner of articulation; second, place of articulation; third, strategies; fourth, tongue twister. A little introduction. Welcome to this video where you can find interesting information about how to deal with S and Sh sound. Also, there are activities you can practice in your class. If you don't know how to pronounce a word, say it loud by William Strong Jr. First, the manner of articulation. The manner of articulation refers to the interaction between the various articulators and the air stream. The manner of articulation of S and Sh sounds, we call them fricatives. Fricatives occur when two vocal organs come close enough together for the movement of air to be heard between them. Friction going on to the vocal tract. This basically that we are dealing with the most of the consonant sounds. They are made by placing two vocal organs and making them vibrate to the point to which is audible. Move from the front to the back of the vocal tract. Place of articulation. The S sound is alveolar. The tongue blade makes light contact with the alveolar ridge. The soft palate is raised. The S sound is unvoiced and leanness. To make that sound, you have to put your teeth together and the corner of the lips pull back and sound. Practice. The place of articulation of sh sounds is palato-alveolar. The tongue blade makes light contact with the alveolar ridge and the front of the tongue is raised. The sh sound is unvoiced and leanness. To make that sound, you have to put your teeth together and the corners of the lips come in and the lips flare. Shh. In this section, we're going to talk about activities. The first activity is practice on minimal pairs and repeat after me. The first pair. See, she. Now your turn. Next. Suit, shoot. Now your turn. The last pair. Sign, shine. The second activity refers to identifying the sound. In this activity, you heard me to pronounce a word and then you have to identify which is the correct sound. Safe, which is the correct sound. Next, sheep, which is the correct sound. Shell, which is the correct sound. Correct. Our third activity is the wheel of words. In this case, you can do it with your students and then we have fun to pronounce these words. So we'll spin the wheel and then we have to pronounce the word appears. Shower. Correct. Self. Correct. Shore. Sheets. Sour. Seat. Sore. And the last word, shelf. In this activity, you can decide turns with your students and practice. Let's go back. The last activity is the tongue twister. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shell she sells are seashells, I'm sure. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shell she sells are seashells, I'm sure. She sells seashells on the seashore. The shell she sells are seashells, I'm sure. Thank you, teacher.